One sunny day in 2016, Donald Trump was playing golf with friends at his club in Virginia. Before hitting the ball, he joked, "If I get this ball in the hole with one shot, I'll run for president." Everyone laughed because this almost never happens. Then he hit the ball, and something incredible happened. The ball flew through the air, landed near the hole, and rolled right in. A perfect shot. Trump's friends couldn't believe it. Trump himself looked surprised. Then he said, "Well, I guess I have to run for president now." Just 3 days later, Trump officially said he wanted to be president. Many people thought he couldn't win, but he did. That lucky golf shot started his journey to the White House. Now, that special golf ball sits in a glass box at his golf club. Some people say it's the most important golf ball in history. A few months after Trump became president, something strange happened at the golf club. One night, the security cameras caught a mysterious person trying to steal the famous golf ball. The person was dressed all in black and moved very quietly. When security guards came running, the thief dropped the glass case and ran away. The golf ball was safe, but everyone wondered, who would want to steal it and why? Some people think it was just a thief who wanted to sell the valuable ball. Others believe it was someone who didn't like Trump and wanted to destroy this piece of history. The police never caught the person, so we may never know the truth. Now the golf ball has extra security. It sits in a stronger case with an alarm. Visitors can still see it, but they can't get too close. The club even made a special sign that says, "The ball that changed history. Please do not touch." The golf ball is insured for $1 million. That means if something happens to it, the insurance company will pay that much money. What do you think about this story? Do you believe small things can change history? What would you do if you saw the famous golf ball? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun English stories, hit the bell to never miss an update.